Tank physics now. I'm gonna. I could not connect to the store because there's no. I have internet but it failed. I'm gonna get the fast drive. Okay. Start the game with time and limit and ads. Okay. Let's go in. But there's an ad. Come on. Friends? What?
Okay naman, wala pa man ako nagkapanilang pa daw siya, kaya butlay lang ako enroll. Nung wala pa pele sa mga bata. Kaya salamat ang mo kay, oh my gosh, ang bag ko. Sala ko gikay. Nakamuna kami si ate niya, ipa-enroll ko na luwa ka ba.
I don't want the ad.
Kasi tigin-inform ko yung tata.
Gonna go back to tank physics. I don't want this one. What?
Kasi nga lang siya, hindi na pa pele sa
Ha!
i-ask ko lang si ate.
Come on, why do I need an ad?
Kita kami Nico.
Gonna make the speed to max level, then turret vertical, turret horizontal, bullet velocity, recoil force, reload speed. Lock on target. I'm locked on target. I'm gonna go some obstacle. Oh yeah! There's the car again. Oh yeah! Gonna go to the other tank. I fired so many times. Goodbye. Hey! Get out of here! You're gonna fire me, right? I don't know why there's some tanks around. Fire! Boom! Boom! Wait, I don't know why it's smaller than me. This should be bigger than me. I fired it like that. There's another tank right here. Let me reverse fire. Let me change the recoil force. Okay. Oh my god! It just blew me up. Okay, right here now. Fire! Fire! That recoil force is so strong. I just flipped over. So I see. That force is so big. I need to be in it. I'm gonna fire back. Then let's go. Let's go. Come on, Tag. You're so fast. I knew you can do it. Fire! Fire him. I missed the spot. Oh my god, another spot too. Huh. Where are you, tank? Gonna dominate this. Looks like I'm gonna. Looks like I'm gonna. Try normal speed. Okay. Turn to the menu. Tiger to Tiger Panzer. Card is the new one. C33. I'm gonna do this one. Let's go. No, I'm gonna stop talking so that I could record my video, mom.
Biski ano man ko kambal sa iya.
Okay.
Daw siya kasakit daw.
I don't listen to that ad.